Hello again. A blusterous day on Saturday across much of the UK and a boisterous outlook. The weather's going to remain lively into next week. There's already weather warnings in force for Monday. And there are weather warnings in force for Saturday as well because of the heavy rain and the strong winds. But it's not doom and gloom everywhere. Much of southern Britain will have a dry, fine day on Saturday, although you'll notice that wind. Let's deal with the warnings then. First of all, the wind warning over southeast Scotland, northeast England, and one for North Wales as well. Gusty, that's the problem. The wind suddenly whipping up to 50, 60 over hills, maybe 70 miles an hour. That could cause some disruption. Certainly not pleasant on the A1 in a high-sided vehicle. There's also warnings in force for the rainfall, building up overnight and in the morning over the hills and mountains of Scotland. 60, 80, some spots, maybe 100 millimetres of rain. That could cause some flooding and certainly the potential for disruption also. So it's a wet start over southwest Scotland and further north the rain's starting to ease through the morning. Wet start too for Northern Ireland. Should turn a bit drier here in the afternoon. The rain working slowly into parts of northwest England, north and west Wales. But the bulk of England and Wales having a dry start. It will be breezy with those strong gusts likely in North Wales, northeast England and southeast Scotland. And the rain just slowly through the day creeping southward. So northern Scotland does turn a bit drier. As I mentioned, Northern Ireland should turn a bit drier in the afternoon as well. At the same time, northwest England, North Wales turning wetter as that rain band edges south. But much of the Midlands, southern England, eastern England, largely dry and bright. Maybe some sunny spells across East Anglia and the southeast. Temperature-wise, well, it will be actually quite mild. Once the rain has cleared, colder air will arrive, so temperatures dropping in northern Scotland come the afternoon, but the max generally 10, 11, 12, maybe getting into the teens in one or two places, obviously feeling cooler with the strength of that wind. Now, the wet weather continues to push south on Saturday night, so turning wet in South Wales, eventually across the Midlands, southwest England as well, and then that rain through the early hours of Sunday getting into East Anglia and the southeast. Again, further north, it's colder but clearer conditions, and the winds also continuing to ease across the north. That rain band is a cold front, and it will still be around across East Anglia and the southeast early on Sunday, but as the name suggests, it's a cold front, so it will be introducing cooler air for Sunday, and the isobars won't be as close together. It won't be as windy, but they're still pretty adjacent across northern Scotland. And here in the colder air, the showers will be falling as sleet and snow to pretty low levels. Hail mixed in with the showers also. Maybe a dull damp start across East Anglia and the southeast, and a few showers over northern England, parts of eastern England as well, and a few showers around western coasts. But overall, Sunday's a drier, brighter day for most with lighter winds, but a cooler feel despite a bit more sunshine. Temperatures mostly in single digits early on, maybe into double figures across East Anglia and the southeast. But definitely a fresher feel despite more sunshine, and then the winds will pick up again on Monday. Potentially very blustery conditions on Monday. Further spells of wet and very windy weather to come, it looks like, for much of next week. Make sure you stay up to date with the weather warnings. Best way to do that, visit the Met Office website, download our app, or of course you can follow us on social media.